So hello everyone, today I want to break a very common myth about aerospace and aeronautical engineering. Many people, especially those who are not from engineering background, they believe that aerospace engineers are just busy building aeroplanes, rockets or satellites all by themselves. But this is not the truth. Actually, aerospace engineering is not only about building an entire airplane or rocket alone. It's about working on the parts of subsystems that make these complex machines possible. Let's understand the reality of aerospace engineering. Let me explain you with this idea, a simple analogy that imagine building kind of smart house, not just walls or windows, but with lighting, air conditioning, internet facilities, automation, safety, and comfort. Like all smartly fitted into, everything is smartly fitted into a compact space, right? Now, can a single person build all of this alone? Do you think, or two or three people can do this? No, we need just an example, architects for design, civil engineers for structure, electricians for wiring, plumbers, IT professionals, interior designers, and so on, right? The same thing applies to aerospace systems. A rocket or an aeroplane is a giant smart system like a smart house, and it requires experts from different fields. Let's understand who all are involved in this. So we can talk about some of the fields involved, not everything, but at least to give you a clear picture. Electrical engineers, they design power systems and circuit systems. Computer science engineers, they build flight softwares, control logic, and onboard systems. IT professionals, they manage networks, communication systems, and even cybersecurity. Mechanical engineers, they work on cooling systems, actuation mechanism, and engine components. A lot more about mechanical engineers. And of course, material scientists, they will help us to select materials for high strength and heat resistance, low weight, lot more. Even artists are artists are also playing a role to illustrate before the actual machine. They sketch early design, they create blueprints, they create 3D concepts in different plans, in different projects. We need them. They create virtual simulations, they create user interface. For example, a sleek look of space capsule or cockpit layout often start with a concept art. You may have heard, like when SpaceX was launching, they had a very black and white suit, a very fancy looking design, right? They are like a space company or space people are not only this much. Then we have lawyers also who work on patents, international agreements, and space law. Think of agreement between countries for launching satellites. How much legal it should be. So legal teams handle all of that. Not only this, even doctors or you can say biomedical experts, even they contribute a lot. When astronauts, they go to space, someone has to study how zero gravity affects the human body, human, of course, brain and all. So doctors are involved in design life support systems, suits, and medical protocols for long missions. So yes, it's not just aeronautical aerospace engineers. It's a collaboration between science, art, law, medicine, and engineering. I hope you are very much comfortable with this. Let's zoom in one small component. For example, let's zoom into a turbine blade inside an aircraft engine. This one piece is continuously being redesigned to improve efficiency, to reduce weight, and to withstand with extreme heat conditions. And we are expecting that it should give us exceptional result every time. To make this happen, aerospace engineers, they have to simulate the airflow. Mechanical engineers, they have to model the thermal stress system. Metallurgy people, they have to develop new alloys. And software experts, they have to code all just for one blade. Now imagine how many roles are involved in building an entire engine. So next time when someone says you are an aerospace engineer, you must be building rockets, then tell them, no, we are building the future one subsystem at a time with a team that spans across discipline. Just like a house is not built by a person, an aircraft or a spacecraft is not built by just one department. It's a team effort, engineers, designers, lawyers, doctors, all these people, and of course the society. Because of them only everything is being done. So that is the biggest motivation. All working together. That's what makes aerospace engineering beautiful, diverse, and collaborative. My name is Vikas Kumar Srivastava. I am an IITian. I am an MS Aerospace Engineering from IIT, and also I am taking GATE coaching for aeronautical aerospace engineers from last several years. I have qualified GATE exam 8 times, and also I have my proper YouTube channel where I advertise things, and I have a website conceptlab.in. So if you are willing to prepare for GATE aerospace exam, contact me on my WhatsApp 6380 135 260. Thank you.